We don't want to buy the business or buy somebody else. This place is just, you know, it's subpar to put it bluntly. And I don't know, maybe
He has no lease. He has no lease.
No lease.
He has no lease.
Well, good thing I called. Politely, you know, underperforming stores. We want to reach out to the landlord, their agent, see if and when a lease might become available. And in that way, we can spend a lot of money on equipment. We don't want to buy the business or buy somebody else. This place is just, you know, it's subpar to put it bluntly. And I don't know, maybe
He has no lease. He has no lease.
No lease.
He has no lease.
Well, good thing I called.
Oh, well done. That's absolutely perfect timing.
So what the landlord wants, if you want a laundromat there, then you likely want a good long-term tenant who's going to spend $500,000 on washers and dryers. That's us. I'm glad we got together.
Your area code seems a little further out.
This is a cell phone number, Gianna. Okay. It's a wireless number. I live in LA. Oh. My partner and I are local, but that's a great question. I got a little spread in Scottsdale. Got a place in San Diego. I have a lot of properties. I choose to keep my cell phone in 480.
No, I got it. I understand. Well, you can give me a call maybe next week. He's been good on his rent. But what do you consider a long-term lease?
Do you own the building?
Oh, yes, I own the property.
It's your building? Excellent. Good for you. Proud of you. I need at least 15 years because I'm going to be spending hundreds of thousands of dollars on washers and dryers. I don't plan on running it the way it is. And Gianna, if you ever want to sell that building, try to sell it now. You're selling it with a no lease, no term, and let's face it, a failed business. When we come in, I don't know what your plans are, but a long-term lease is necessary. Anyone looking to dip their toe in the water and do a couple of months or a couple of years, they're not going to invest.
What would be an ideal lease rent for you on a 15-year lease? What would be ideal?
Oh God, ideal? You and I would be married and you wouldn't charge me anything.
Okay, then there we moved on.
That would be ideal.
That didn't happen there.
So
that kind of bothered my husband.
Oh goodness. But when you ask me what is the ideal lease rate, it is certainly below market because of the money that I spend on equipment. And it's probably on par with what your guy is spending now. But look, I own commercial space as well. And at the end of the day, I don't want month-to-month tenants. That freaks me out because he has every right to walk away tomorrow. We don't want that.
He's been here for 20, 30 years. So,
sure. And it smells like it.
I don't see.
Look at the state of this place. It's a bloody disgrace.
What does him being there for 20, 30 years have to do with tomorrow? Nothing.
Nothing. You're a great salesman. I'm surprised you don't have a car dealership.
Why would I want to sell cars?
I'm just kidding because I said you're a great salesman.
I get it. I know you're kidding. I'm not selling anything. I'm offering.
No, you're selling yourself through me.
Sure. So you said next week. I don't know what's going to happen or what's going to change. Check
because right now I'm in the middle. Across the street, I own the other area, and I'm in the middle of a remodel right now, so I'm not even in my office.
Okay. Well, you're juggling. You're juggling these things. Do this. What's your email address? I'll send you an email, and when you want to talk terms, you reach out.
At yahoo.com.
Brilliant. Where's the accent from? Where are you from?
Me? Armenia.
Armenia. Beautiful Armenian women. And am I saying your name properly, Gianna?
No, it's Guyane.
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 Guyane. Perfect. I'm Danny. I will CC my partner, Richard. Reach out when you want to talk.
Sounds great.
Thanks, Guyane.
Okay, great. Thanks for the call.
She likes me.
Yes, she does.
Not that it
And
matters.
you like her.
Yeah. She's hairy. They have no lease, she says.
Yeah.
Okay. But she has no idea what she wants to charge in rent.
That's right.
No idea. And what
Well,
do you consider
especially
long
if this
term?
person's been in there for 20 years.
Yeah.
They
Well,
probably haven't changed it.
She's telling me, oh, they're not going to go anywhere. They've been there 20 years. Well, they could leave tomorrow. 20 years in business doesn't mean shit. It's not a pizzeria.
Yep.
Guyane.
All right. Diana. Sounds like Diana, but only with a G.
It does.
Diana.
Guyane. I'm going to send her that silly email and give her a month, give her 30 days, and we'll call her back. See, eventually they all decide to pick up. They all decide to pick up the phone. Eventually, you just keep calling, leaving messages, and then they're in the right mood and they pick up.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.